We are from SMK Aminuddin Baki, Kuala Lumpur. The name of our team is Gorgeous Girl. My name is Fatiha Nurisha.
My name is Nurish Irani.
My name is Putri Nurishan Sophia.
My name is Haida Hanani.
My name is Putri Jalisha Bahira.
SMK Aminuddin Baki KL is a cluster school. It is located along Jalan Kampung Pandan, Kuala Lumpur. It was established in 1958. Our school is also known by its abbreviation SABKL, and the students are known as Sabians.
Hi.
Nurish, Haida, sini je. Okey, tolong ambil buku ni. Letak dalam bilik aktiviti. Susu cantik-cantik tau.
Okay. Oh no, Nurish. There aren't enough shelves for the books. What should we do? As SPBT members, we are surrounded by books and are constantly facing a common problem. There are not enough shelves for the books. This problem does not only lie in the SPBT room. We as students face this problem in the classroom and even in our own room.
I have an idea.
This problem is also explained by the school. To eliminate the said problem, we plan to make a bookshelf that uses recycled items. Not only will this solution help reduce waste in the environment, but we can also reduce the cost of expenses. Why buy a new when we can make it ourselves?
In our project, we will be making a bookshelf using recycled and affordable items.
We went to Mr. DIY to buy things for our project. The first item is a hot glue gun and also a pack of glue stick. The second items are 10 packets of pebbles. Last but not least, 4 pieces of wood.
The main materials that we use for this project are 4 pieces of polyplus cardboard, as well as 10 large recycled plastic water bottles, and also 4 small recycled plastic water bottles. The estimated cost for this project are RM186.28.
That's all from us. Thank you.